Hello children and welcome to your moral science class. So today we start with lesson 12, that is places of worship. Okay. So in India there are different kinds of religion and we all have different places to worship. We all know that God is one, no matter we are Hindu, Muslim, Christians or Sikh or any other religion, but we have a different way to worship God, we have a different way to talk to our God, we have a different way of prayers. But above all, God is one. Always remember, there can be different faces, there can be different ways of worshipping, there are different places to go to worship, but above all, God is one. Okay? So let's start the chapter, children. People go to places of worship for prayers. Why do we go to different places to worship? To pray, to offer our prayers to God. Some of the main religions followed by the people of India are Hinduism, Jainism, Islam, Sikhism, Christianity, Buddhism, Baha'i, Judaism and Zoroastrianism. So these are the various religion which is followed in India. Some places of worship are visited by people of all religions. So there are some places, some famous places where it is not bounded by a particular religion, but all religions, all the people, whether they belong to any caste or creed, any religion, they go to these places. So let's see what are these famous places of worship where everyone wishes to go once in their lifetime. The Golden Temple is a beautiful Gurdwara. It is a holy shrine of the Sikhs in Amritsar. People of all religions go there. So I know many of you must have gone there to Golden Temple, which is located in Amritsar. It is a beautiful Gurdwara, and the Sikh people mainly go to worship there. But it is you can say a tourist place where everybody, it is so beautiful, and the outer layer is made up of gold and things like that. So many people want to go there and to visit this place. Jama Masjid is a holy mosque of the Muslims. There is also a mosque inside the Red Fort in Delhi. So another place of worship where people of different religions go is Jama Masjid, which is located in Delhi, and also is the mosque inside the Red Fort in Delhi, where all people of all over the world, they go there. Next is the Lotus Temple is a Baha'is house of worship. So this Lotus Temple actually belongs to which category? It is a Baha'is house of worship. But not only Baha'is, but people from all over the world, they come here and they worship. It is a beautiful prayer house which is located in New Delhi, and people from far and near, from every part of the world, they come here and they visit. Another is the Church of St. Francis Xavier is in Goa. So one of the most beautiful churches, which is St. Francis Church, which is located in Goa. It is a holy place of Christians. Basically Christians, they go to church, but not only Christians, people from all over the world, they go to see this beautiful church. The body of St. Francis Xavier is kept there, and it's believed that the body of Saint Francis, he was a saint, and his body is such a pious body, it is still preserved there, and people once in a year, sometime in maybe it's Christmas time or sometime, I don't exactly know, they bring this body and so that people may come and they can see the body. So otherwise it is kept all closed. People of all religions go there to offer prayers. Akshardham Mandir is a famous Hindu temple in New Delhi. People of all religions go there to see exhibitions on the cultural heritage of India. So it is so beautifully, this thing is exhibited, the different Indian cultures is exhibited, that people from all over the world, they come here and they go to Akshardham Mandir. People from all over the world visit these places. When people visit the place of worship, they show respect. They maintain silence. At some places, they remove footwear, wash feet, and then enter. So, as I told you, there are different ways to worship. So, people they go to different places of worship. In some places they remove their footwear, then they wash their hands, they wash their feet, and then they go to. So, it is just a way of showing their respect to God. Religions are different and places of worship are different. We call God by different names, but God is one. So we must respect all religions and all places of worship. We know that we go to different places. We are Hindu, we are Muslims, we are Sikhs, we are Christians, any other religions. We follow our religion very religiously, very piously we follow it. But we should know that above all God is one, and so we should respect all other religions. So this is all about in this chapter. So just go to the chapter, read the chapter and the question answers, and the exercise part I will give you in the PDF. Thank you.